In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a plus sign in a mathematical problem or in a document just using your keyboard on a computer or on a laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, as you can see, I have here a summation and I just went ahead and inserted this plus sign. So I'll go ahead and delete it and show you how I was able to insert that sign. So to do that, all you need to do is to go ahead and identify the place or the line where you want to insert the plus sign, and then come to this button here. These are just two steps or one step after the 0. We have this key that has a plus and an equal sign. So once you get to this, if you go ahead and tap on it, it will not enter a plus, but it will enter an equal sign. For our case, we want the plus, so I'll go ahead and delete it. To insert the plus, we need to go ahead and change the function of this key on our keyboard, and you can simply do that by pressing the shift key on your keyboard. So go ahead and identify one of the shift keys. We have these two. You can just press on one of them. So I'll go ahead and press on one. And once you have pressed on one of the shift key, now you can come and tap on this button that contains a plus, and look at that, the plus will be added. Now each and every time you tap this button while the shift key is pressed down, you can see it will always insert a plus sign in your document. So that's how you can add a plus sign in your document or in your mathematical problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.